Ever pondered about the magnitude of malaria and how it continues to be a global health concern? Well, today we dive into the intricate life cycle of malaria to better understand this issue. Malaria, a disease caused by Plasmodium parasites, begins its journey in the body of a female Anopheles mosquito. When this mosquito, the primary vector, bites an infected individual, it ingests the Plasmodium parasites present in the person's blood. These parasites then undergo a series of transformations within the mosquito. They mature and reproduce in the mosquito's gut, evolving into sporozoites, the infectious form of the parasite. This process, known as the sporogonic cycle, takes approximately 1 to 2 weeks. The next chapter in the life cycle unfolds when the infected mosquito bites a human. The sporozoites are injected into the human's bloodstream and travel to the liver. Here, they invade liver cells and begin the process of asexual reproduction. This phase, known as the liver stage or pre-erythrocytic schizogony, can last from a week to several months. During this stage, each sporozoite multiplies to produce thousands of merozoites. These merozoites burst out of the liver cells and enter the bloodstream again. This marks the beginning of the blood stage or erythrocytic schizogony. In the blood, merozoites invade red blood cells and continue their cycle of multiplication. Some of these merozoites differentiate into sexual forms of the parasite known as gametocytes. When a mosquito bites an infected person, it ingests these gametocytes, and the cycle begins anew. Now, to summarize, the life cycle of malaria involves a complex series of stages within two hosts, the mosquito and the human. It starts with the ingestion of parasites by a mosquito from an infected person, followed by the maturation and reproduction of these parasites within the mosquito. The infectious sporozoites then enter a human host through a mosquito bite and undergo further development and multiplication in the liver and blood. Understanding this life cycle is pivotal, as each stage presents potential targets for interventions to control and eliminate malaria. Reflecting on the global health scenario, malaria poses a significant threat. With hundreds of millions of cases annually, it leads to hundreds of thousands of deaths, predominantly among children under 5 in sub-Saharan Africa. It's a disease that can hinder economic growth in many parts of the world and exacerbate poverty. The life cycle of malaria, while complex, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of this parasite. It's this complexity that makes malaria such a challenging disease to combat. Yet, with continual research and understanding, strides are being made in the fight against this formidable foe. So, the next time you hear about malaria, remember the intricate dance of life it performs within two hosts and the significant global health challenge it presents.